So first off, happy St. Patrick's Day. Well, late St. Patrick's Day. The reason why I didn't record it on St. Patrick's Day or the day after is because I didn't really forget. It's that I didn't have time to record. So, yeah. If you weren't wearing green on St. Patrick's Day, you better be ready for a pinch. Anyways, that reminds me. I got pinched by a crab, and I have a humongous, not humongous, but like, I have a high pain tolerance, and my goodness, that hurts. I was unaware of just how painful a crab pinch was. Way more painful than a crawfish or crayfish or however you want to say it pinch is. Way more painful than a wasp sting. And I've never been stung by a bee. Anyways, so on to the story. So I was with my mom. We just got McDonald's. There's a Winn-Dixie that we sat at a parking lot eating McDonald's. There was a Winn-Dixie parking lot we were in, and just a few feet or meters, depending on where you're from, was the McDonald's that we went to. And they forgot to put either ketchup or honey mustard because I always eat chicken nuggies. But yeah, they forgot something. I forgot what, honestly. So I went back to McDonald's to go get that, and since it was a parking lot, we were just looking around, making sure that there was no cars or anything like that. And I felt a sneeze, like, oh no. And I sneezed in the parking lot, and I sneezed with my eyes open. I was like, I just sneezed with my eyes open. I didn't know that was possible. Anyways, so after that, as far as I can remember, that's the only time that I sneezed with my eyes open. And if this gets some positive feedback, like if you guys want to see more stories, hear more stories from me, I'm a living storybook. I will possibly make a whole series of stories. So next video will be what I'm going to do with my Hornby Thomas. Like my plans for my Hornby Thomas. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, one more thing. Is that due to the thing called the Mandela effect, some people think that the tip of Pikachu's tail is black. Hey dear.